Welcome back. Sada Sub Jail has started bakery and a tailoring unit on Republic Day as a part of their rehabilitation course. IGP of Prisons Mihir Vardhan inaugurated both the units and said that this will enhance employment skills of prisoners. The income received through both these units will be transferred to Prisoners Welfare Fund.
Now the essence of cakes, sweets and breads will spread all over Sada Sub Jail as a bakery unit has been introduced on Republic Day. The jail inmates will prepare bakery products. Mihir Vardhan says rehabilitation will help inmates to start a new innings of their life.
Today we have inaugurated a new bakery unit in our sub-jail Sada, and this is part of the many courses and programs that we are doing for the prisoners for their own good vocational courses that will help them to get new skills, to get jobs when they go out, and it is a part of the reform and rehabilitation that we are doing. This kind of vocational courses like bakery and tailoring and artwork, it all helps them to pass time usefully in the jail and also helps them to get skills, and when they go out, we hope that they will be good and normal citizens.
Superintendent of Sada Sub Jail Sabaji Shetty said that income gained through tailoring unit will be deposited in the welfare fund of the under trials.
These bakery units will prepare all types of the sweets as well as the bread. Initially, the sweets and the bread will cater over the prisoners. They are numbering about 370, and after a few weeks, we will take to the market at Vasco and some other places. This now the under trial and the prisoners, they will stitch, and whatever that amounts which we have to pay, we will replace in the welfare unit of the under trials.
Our reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkekar.
Now news from sports. Churchill brothers had to settle for a 1-1 draw against East Bengal in the I-League on Friday at Fatarda. The match between both the title contenders was an entertaining affair with chances aplenty. Churchill led by a goal at half-time.
Billed as a key clash in terms of the title race, Churchill brothers started in an aggressive fashion and took the lead in the 8th minute through Henry O'Shea's headed goal. Churchill were completely dominant in the first half but could not add to their score. With the home side in the lead, Churchill's foreign cheergirls were in full cry at the half-time interval. East Bengal regrouped after the interval and within minutes of the resumption scored the equaliser through Tolge Osbey. But Churchill clearly were the best team of the two and continued to press for the winner. The Varka-based club was denied when this attempt by Henry struck the goal post. The owners, Joki Alemao and Churchill Alemao, were clearly frustrated as they saw their team lose further ground on the title. Churchill coach Manuel Gomes said his side did not have any luck, while East Bengal coach Trevor Morgan was satisfied that his team did not lose the match.
Chance for my team, chance for another team. But until the East Bengal, the Churchill have too much chance for score goals. Hard luck today.
But your goalkeeper could have saved that goal.
Sometimes this is normal in football. Make the best, no mistakes. The strikers have too much chances for score, but no score.
There's a long way to go yet. There's a lot of things that can happen in football. It was important that we didn't lose today. Of course, I think we're all disappointed that we didn't win, but it was important that we didn't lose. That's important. We still have to play Dempo, and they've got a tough game on Sunday against a team who have hit form at the right time. So we don't know if it's going to be. It might be 2 points dropped, or it might be 1 point gain, depending on the result of the Dempo game. But we're up there, still in touching distance, and that's the most important thing.
A reporter from Fatorda, Samir Bhatt.
Arjuna awardee Brahmanand Shankwalkar feels that the priority of the new government should be to rebuild the Bandodkar football stadium at Kampal. As many as 7 years have passed since the demolition of the spectator galleries at the Bandodkar ground, and what remains is shocking to see. Since 2004, the ground has hosted more of exhibitions and used as parking place for vehicles. As a result, football in Tiswadi has suffered big time.
Look at these glorious pictures of the then Bandodkar football stadium. One of the India's legendary goalkeeper, Brahmanand in his prime, has been part of historic matches at this ground. The ground now looks like this. A pathetic state of affairs in the state that is called football crazy. With the impending elections, the ground will remain in the shambolic condition. But Brahmanand has warned whoever comes to power that the first priority of the new government will have to be rebuilding the Bandodkar football stadium because it was the sports-loving chief minister's treasured memory for the footballers.
They cannot take it because of the elections, and I think the moment the elections take place, whichever the government comes, they got to see that the first thing they restore. In the 50 years of Goa's Golden Jubilee, they should come out with the one solution is the Bhausaheb Bandodkar has been given due respect, and the stadium which was there in his name, which was there, rebuilt it again in his memory. And being the first Chief Minister of Goa, who loved football so much, sports in general so much, and because of him, all the play fields which are intact here is due to Mr. Bandodkar, and I think the stadium has to come up in his name. I hope these people will take it very seriously on this.
A sports reporter Nikhil Pereira with video journalist Omkar Ferrari from Panji.
Log on to www.prudentmedia.in if you have missed our bulletin. You can also follow us on Twitter by following us at Prudent Goa to get latest news as and when they happen. Meet us on Facebook at www.facebook.com/prudentmedia. With this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent Media. Goodbye.